Alright guys, so we are working on a circuit board, and this belongs in a Frigidaire side by side. This will be in the control in the refrigerator section. Well, that's pretty much what it looks like. And the issue with the refrigerator is not coming on. So it's pretty intense for the regular person to take this board apart. It has another piece here which you have to desolder and take them apart. So it's a two-part board, and the other portion has the buttons to be pressed. So this is rather detailed. I'm posting this video because I want, if you're having issue with your refrigerator not coming on, you can check it before you actually go out and spend the money on a board that isn't bad, or if it is bad, then you at least know just replace the board. A couple ways of checking this. If you have enough space here, you can energize it. And when I say energize, basically make the contact close. I will demonstrate. First, we have to remove this out of circuit, and I'll show you how to do that. So let's get started. So this is a desoldering gun. This is not really about showing you how to do that, but if you're new, then it will help. Don't breathe that stuff, and it's not good for you. That should be it. This should come right on out. Sometimes they're a little bit hard to get out, especially you have the coating on the board, and sometimes it grabs. You shouldn't have to force anything. Sometimes you might have a little bit of solder just holding it in. Okay, and that's it. You want to make sure everything's nice and clean. The magnet for this, I think, is right here. So basically, when you turn your refrigerator on, this guy doesn't get. This is the one that gets energized. When he's on the board, he's covered over, so it's not even shown. So we're gonna put that there, and this, and we're gonna apply power or energize. Okay, going all the way around, but it is right here. I don't hear a click, so either the coils are bad. I'm gonna switch just for the heck of it. Okay, so he's stuck on, and this is for the compressor. So he's normally on. Okay, like I said, this one does not get use. Usually it's this guy here that would be getting used. just for the heck of it. Yeah. So this is a bad relay. It's even shaking. So testing a good one. Give you an idea. There. And there. And we're going to energize the contacts. And here he goes. So that's how you check a relay. Sometimes you don't have to remove it from the board, but often enough you do, just because you don't have a lot of space to do anything. So, and sometimes when you look closely at these, you can see burnt mark and whatnot. But yeah, so it's a bad relay. So this one is not used. On the board, it's actually covered over. So the two main ones you'd be checking, and this is on a Frigidaire refrigerator. Nothing at all. Nothing. 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 So you replace this, your fridge will be back up and working. All right. Thank you.